Good morning. It is Sunday and I have a headache. I don't feel well, like at all. I have a headache. Like my freaking throat hurts. My stomach hurts. It doesn't even hurt. I'm just super queasy. I don't feel good. But we got church, so I'm getting ready for that because duh. But yeah. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to our channel. My channel. It's ours now. Um, so I still feel a little sick, but I feel a little bit better. She's judging me. So we're already dressed. I need to hurry up and go downstairs because we need to leave in like 7 minutes, I think.
In the interlinear Bibles, and I saw it was an unhurried, while still moving forward.
Okay, so we have left church. My mom just ran inside of HEB real quick to grab some stuff. And I'm sitting in the car because I have the fattest headache. And I'm having a horrible time. Oh my God. It's Monday. I didn't record the rest of yesterday because I was so sick. I felt so sick. My headache kept coming and going. My freaking stomach was like twisting and turning, moving and grooving, and I couldn't do it. Like, after we got home, I slept. I freaking slept. I couldn't do it. So now we're gonna get ready to go to the gym. There we go. Okay, here's the fit. Black tank, blue biker shorts, like a gray blue, and then, my socks. Oh my God. Okay. It is 4:28 in the morning. My family watches my family. No one watches her. She's asleep. But they make sure that when she cries, they attend when I go to the gym. So let's make some pre-workout before she does become my problem. So to some ice, we're gonna add half an electrolyte drink, or I guess more than half. Ice has volume and stuff. And then the other half, some pre-workout. Oh geez. That's how I've always made it. That's how I will continue to make it. Oh, I'm gonna go check on my kid, pack my sister's lunch, and then head out. Because I don't know if y'all can hear her, but she's starting to whine. So time check, 4:40. So I'm gonna get ready to leave. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this is kind of the earliest I've ever actually left. Because I usually make breakfast, but I don't know if y'all remember last week's video where I made the kolaches. So that is this week's breakfast. So they actually don't need me for anything because breakfast has already been made. So, okay, let's go. That's annoying. Okay. Whatever. It's not one of my better angles, but it is an angle. So it's weekend.
Good morning, gorgeous. Sometimes you gotta look in the mirror and say, good morning, gorgeous. Oh, morning.
When I say I've never been here this early, it's not even open yet. I usually don't get here until like 5:20, almost 5:30. Like I never get here this early. And there's only like 8 people here, including me. So I actually don't know what exercise I'm supposed to be doing today. But by the time my sister answers me, it'll be too late. So we're gonna do arms and back because I'm assuming that's probably what I wrote down. Yeah. Y'all, I never walk out of here this dark. Like, the sun's usually coming up by the time I'm leaving. So, I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I don't know if I want to go to Walmart or HEB yet, but a grocery store. I was in there, when I was walking over there to like the weight rack and stuff, why was some guy staring at my crotch? Like, he was staring, and like I made eye contact with him, and he did not care at all. And he was just. But anyway, I don't know if I want to go to Walmart or HEB. I think I might have Siri pick. Heads is Walmart, tails is HEB. Hey Siri, flip a coin.
It's heads.
Heads is Walmart. I don't want to go to Walmart. We're going to HEB. All right. That was easy. Really, really hungry. Why are you riding my tail? Why are you riding my tail? Back up. Anyway. My phone won't make me leave no faster. Put my coat on faster. Leave my girls no faster. Should've left my phone at home, cause this is a disaster. Then I dug my key into the side of this pretty little souped up 4-wheel drive. Called my name tires. Maybe next time to think before he I don't know why everyone's in such a freaking rush. But if one more person almost hits me, I'm gonna give them a reason to hit me. Cause I don't know who was behind me, but boy, were they in a rush. And I hope they get to where they're going to safely. Cause the way you're driving, it's really endangering everybody on the road. If you don't care about everyone else's life, at least pretend to care about yours. Good Lord. Duh. Alright, that's my rant. Because I really can't stand... Driving has gotten really bad lately. Like, people have never really known how to drive for real. But, like, it's been extremely bad lately. Nobody knows how to look at their mirrors. Nobody, like, drives safely. It's freaking scary. I've been in 3 accidents. Was it 3? Yeah. I've been in 3 accidents within a span of 4 months. Not last year, like 2022. And it's like, dang, like, if you don't care about my life, at least, you know, like, care about yours. Because should be no reason why I got hit 3 times. The first time I was in a 4-car pileup, and then the second time I got T-boned at 30 miles per hour. I was driving, I was like, I just realized I turned in the wrong way. Oh, well. I got this. I know how to park. I was making a left turn with a secured green light. So it's not even like I was being stupid and like went on a yellow. Like, I made a secure green light turn and I got T-boned because some idiot ran the red light and my car started smoking. Okay. It was leaking, all the good stuff. And then literally like a month after I had got that taken care of, I got T-boned again on the opposite side. Dude. Anyway, we're here at HEB. Y'all, is this a good brand? Because it's $3.99. I don't know if you drink. Okay, you drink it. The whole thing? I don't know. I'm gonna try it. No. I don't know why I started the hoodie on. We're back home. I'm making breakfast. I was gonna make coffee. Oh my God. I was gonna make coffee, but I think I'm just gonna make some tea since my throat is kind of hoarse. I don't know if y'all heard it this morning, but yeah, I think I'm gonna make ginger tea instead. So here's what I'm eating. I got 3 eggs with spinach, some maple sausage, and some ginger and lemon tea. And yeah, I'm basically just going to chow. Oh my God. I'm basically going to just chow down and hopefully try to get a nap in before my daughter wakes up. Literally no promises, but I'm gonna try.
Oh yeah, I love rowdy music. Who are you rocking out to? Let me guess.
I just want to show y'all something real quick. Bug. Nothing. Freaking dropped all of my snack. I just got home like maybe an hour and a half ago. I ended up going out with some friends. But they also have kids, so I didn't really record because trying to record haul kids and then trying not to record their kids as well. It was just a lot, so I didn't end up recording. But I'm home now and I need to cook dinner and prep lunches for tomorrow. And then like also my kitchen's a mess. Like, dude, what happened? It was not like that this morning and now it's like that right now. And then also I bought my mom these flowers. She's doing something with them. I don't know, but I bought them for her because she hasn't been feeling too well lately. So, you know, I love her overnight. So I'm gonna wash some dishes real quick. Not some. I'm gonna wash the dishes, all of them, and then I'm gonna put away whatever that is, and I guess start prepping for dinner. I'll see you in a second.
It's nice.
I'm about to shower and go to bed because duh, I gotta be up again tomorrow doing the same thing. Excuse how I look. I washed my hair last night and didn't do anything with it other than sleep. But it's Tuesday and it's 11:30, y'all. I did not go to the gym. My baby is sick, so we've really just been in bed all day because, you know, sick baby, sick family, everyone. Well, I ain't sick. I drank my tea, but yeah, everyone's just at home right now, making sure that, you know, because baby cooties are dangerous. So right now I'm making breakfast. Making breakfast, some sausage, grits, eggs, all that good stuff. Or anything, but I tried the like using a protein shake as coffee creamer. Turns out I don't like protein shakes, but after I made my normal coffee and just added it, it tastes fine, I guess. I can kind of taste the protein. Excuse me. But it's not that bad. I mean, I can't say I won't do it again, but turns out I'm not going to be drinking protein shakes just by itself because that junk was nasty. And I don't know how you people do it. Okay, so right now I'm headed to a doctor's appointment. I spent most of the afternoon just editing this video, so that's it. Just an update, y'all. Me appointment. I've been waiting for this appointment for like a month already, maybe a month and a half. Then I need to go to Dee Dee's after, because I saw some. I don't need to go to Dee Dee's, but my mom gave me the confirmation, so I'm gonna go to Dee Dee's. And I saw these dress slacks that were in my size, and hopefully they're still there so that I can get them for church, because I've been wanting to dress more professional, more mature. Like, I threw away all of my crop tops and stuff, and I recorded it on TikTok. I threw away all my crop tops, all of my like super booby shirts. Like, I got rid of everything that wasn't like mature and mommy like. So I'm trying to dress more, you know, not as provocative. I want to be classy. I'm trying to dress classier. So I'm done rambling. Let's just go to this freaking doctor's appointment. I probably won't record in the doctor's appointment because it's a doctor's office. But yeah, just letting y'all know that's where we're going now. Try on some clothes. Hey. Oh, I hit her in the face. I'm about to try on these pants that I saw last time, and there's someone calling me. I don't know if I like it. I feel like it's not really flattering, like right here, and then the pattern. So, time to try on the next thing. Yes, ma'am. It's giving very professional. Fix these pockets. I like these. They're basically just stretchy dress pants. They're basically just stretchy dress pants, and I like these a lot more. And then we have same idea in these gray. I don't like what's happening here. I don't know what that is. I don't like it. So I like all this right here. I don't know what that is. So I think I'm gonna go with the dark blue ones, even though I do like how these feel. They are a little tight up here, but that's nothing a gym can't fix. Faith, forwarding all issues to heaven. And have to get her pants changed. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? I just dropped my kid off at home and changed. I'm gonna be going to a church thing. I forgot your bad. Nope. Tag, you're it. Your turn. I've been with that kid all day. I don't care if she's mine. Take her. So yeah, we're going to church right now for a young adult like worship night. So I'm gonna get my worship on. Oh, that is a fat cat. And it's judgy. Alright, well, I will see you guys when I get to church. Here. Out of my chest. I don't know why I'm so nervous. But I'm literally so nervous. Oh my god, they're looking at me. Upstairs. I gotta climb stairs down. You hear my voice, but baby, it was so good. It was so good. Tonight was worship night, so I guess they usually do like Bible studies, but tonight was worship night. I am so sorry, excuse me. But when I tell y'all I came on the right night, we was warring in the spirit. Like, they had everyone just pray, and when I say I prayed for like an hour, It was beautiful. I loved it so much. I am so grateful for the opportunity to even do that. Like, when I say I feel lighter, like physically lighter, my shoulders don't feel as heavy. They don't feel as weighed down. Like, girl, I loved it. But I need to go home because apparently my child acting a plum fool. So I'm gonna go home, put her to sleep, and I will see y'all tomorrow morning. But yeah, nice and fresh. Same thing as yesterday. Grilled sausage, eggs. Honestly, I feel like this is a good place to stop the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you can. And that is a wrap. Thank you for spending time with me. Bye.